Alright guys, change this coil around and running lines to the mechanical room. Alright guys, another company installed this and they had this turned around. The factory did not want to warranty the system because it says it impedes the refrigerant flow going up and down like this. I call bullshit. Anyways, so we switched it and we took off the rivets, the panel, switched it, and we have them coming out from the sides now. We're gonna tee off. I'm gonna bring them along here, and I'm have them through the wall here, coming out, and it's going to my system here. One here, and one here. Alright, got my first pipe hung up. We got one there, and we got one there. It's coming back, braze those up, and the other one has to be still brazed and hung up. This is my nitrogen setup. Just got going through here, to the regulator, through the regulator, through the gauges. This is on the discharge line right now, the 1/8 discharge right now. This is how I did it. I ran them here, 2 hangers there, drilled them to cement, one in there and one here. Patched it up, some cement there where I made the holes. Comes out of there, and I made 2 pipe hangers. That's how I did it. And I used the original tees, and I used them there. One's going that way and one's going to the other side. Just gonna braze this corner up here, and then I work on the other side. Alright guys, she's done. Job complete. I know they're gonna call us for something else, but these lines went in there. Ran some communication wire for them because I know they're gonna need that. These plumbers, I tell you, they don't do refrigeration. They also don't do their electrical